This cafe is run by survivors of the October 7th massacre in southern Israel. My name is India and welcome to Café Otef.
The name of Café Otef comes from the Hebrew term Otef Aza, which refers to the area surrounding Gaza where the communities affected by the October 7th attacks are located. So no, this cafe, located in the center of Tel Aviv, is not just a regular cafe. It is fully staffed by the displaced members of the Netiv HaSara community of southern Israel, which was one of the communities attacked. Here, they serve coffee, baked goods, and fresh sandwiches that incorporate ingredients from the Gaza border area. And as you can see, they serve coffee with the message.
But who really are the people behind these specially crafted cups of coffee?
My name is Yotam Keidar, I'm 25 years old and I'm born and raised in Netiv HaSara. In the October 7, me and my community displaced from our moshav because it's not safe anymore. It's turned to be a war zone and 20 people from my moshav got killed. I was a guard in the border crossing to Gaza and I was there for 10 hours hiding in the electricity closet. So after the October 7, we got separated. So it's very hurt me. I felt very bad for that. So after opening this coffee shop and after each one found his place, all of us and all of them coming here to meet each other, and we saw a lot of common faces that we do this so for a long time, so that's making me happy. That's the best thing that I could do for my moshav now.
All the proceeds from the cafe go directly into rebuilding their community in the south of the country. Their dream? To raise enough money to rebuild their entire community and move back. Recently, Café Otef hosted an extraordinary exhibition. It showcases photographs taken by teenagers from Netiv HaSara, capturing their perspectives on life after October 7th.
קוראים לי רומי, אני בת 16 ואני גם מנתיב העשרה. אני כבר 9 חודשים מפונה למלון בתל אביב. הצילום אפשר לנו להעביר באמת רגשות שלא יכולנו להעביר דרך דיבור או דרך ביטוי כלשהו. צילמנו בהרבה מקומות בתל אביב שיש להם סוג של קשר אישי אלינו. פה יש את הפינת הנצחה של המלון, שבנו לנו אותה למלון כדי שבאמת כל יום נזכור מה עברנו מי חסר לנו בחיים, ובאמת שגם אורחים שמגיעים למלון ידעו מה עברנו ומי נרצח אצלנו.
Coffee brings people together. And this is one reason this business is important to them after so many were brutally torn apart.
This is how we rebuild, one coffee at a time.
So if you are in Israel, stop by and get your cup.
This is Café Otef.
This is Inside Israel.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.